In the ancient Egyptian pantheon, Ra holds a revered position as the supreme creator god. He was believed to have brought forth the world and all living beings, embodying the essence of creation itself. Ra's significance extended beyond mere creation. He represented the life-giving power of the sun, which was essential for sustaining life in the arid landscape of Egypt. His influence was so profound that he was often merged with other deities, leading to the formation of composite gods like Amun-Ra. This fusion exemplified Ra's adaptability and importance within Egyptian theology, reflecting how the attributes of various gods intertwined within the rich tapestry of belief. Central to Ra's mythology is the concept of his daily journey across the sky. Each day, Ra was imagined traveling in his magnificent solar bark, illuminating the world with his radiant light. This daily voyage symbolized the passage of time and was crucial for maintaining order and life. However, as night fell, Ra would enter the underworld, embarking on a perilous journey through the realm of the dead. This descent was fraught with challenges, as Ra faced various dangers, including the serpent Apep, who embodied chaos and destruction. Despite these threats, Ra's resilience was celebrated. He would ultimately conquer the darkness and be reborn at dawn, emerging anew to begin his journey once again. This cycle of death and rebirth conveyed deep themes of renewal, hope, and the eternal nature of life. Ra's connection to kingship further amplified his significance in ancient Egyptian society. Pharaohs often associated themselves with Ra, emphasizing their divine right to rule. As a representation of celestial authority and power, Ra was a model of legitimacy for the rulers of Egypt. From the 4th dynasty onward, the title Son of Ra became an essential part of the royal titulary, reinforcing the divine connection between the pharaohs and the sun god. This title served not only to legitimize their reign, but also establish the pharaohs as earthly representatives of Ra's power, as they governed in accordance with Mat, the principle of truth and order embodied by Ra. In summary, Ra is a multifaceted deity whose role as the supreme creator, daily traveler, and symbol of kingship highlights the profound impact he had on both the spiritual and political landscapes of ancient Egypt. His mythology encapsulates the key themes of creation, renewal, and divine authority, making him one of the most significant figures within the rich tapestry of Egyptian mythology.